Hi, my name's Hella, and to cope with being really sad, I made a chocolate cake today. So let's get started, my friends. So I only had one egg, which meant I had to have the entire recipe, which is fine. These are the ingredients I used. I'm not really going to tell you what they are. Just have fun. Guess. Look at them. I added some chocolate chips in there because I'm creative like that. Anyway, so I boiled half a cup of water, and then I mixed all the dry ingredients together. Cocaine. Just kidding. Flour. Okay, yeah. I dropped some on the floor, cleaned up because I have an Egyptian mother. Back to it. Wet ingredient time. So I added some chocolate milk instead of normal milk because I'm creative. That was me being surprised that I was able to crack an egg. Okay, so boiling water added, chocolate chips. Look at me admiring my artwork. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yay! So I put it in the oven for about like 30 to 35 minutes because that's what the recipe told me to. And there it is. Beautiful, isn't it? Taste test time. It tasted like ass, like fucking ass. Like...
Likey.